If you've not gotten admission up till now, you are the one doing yourself. Do these things I'm going to say in this video immediately in order to get admission. If you don't do them, forget about admission. It's safe. One of my students got admission like 2 days ago, and it will interest you to know that some persons that scored higher than her have not still gotten admission. So it's not about you scoring too high in JAMB or too high in post UTME. She scored low, but she has gotten the admission, and some persons that scored very high and they are still there waiting for admission. Now, there are some things you must do. If you don't do them, you will not get admission no matter how high you score. After watching this video, the first thing you are to do now, if you've not gotten admission, is run to your CAPS. Do you know what CAPS is? Central Admission Processing System. Run to your CAPS. If you don't know how to check your CAPS, all you have to do, type on Google, just type. You don't need to go to cyber cafe. You don't need to go. You can do it with your smartphone. So long as you're with a smartphone, you can do it perfectly. All you have to do is type JAMB CAPS on Google. Then as you type JAMB CAPS on Google, it will open. Then you go to where you log in, because as it opens, you have to put your email and your password. After putting your email and password, it will open for you. There you can check, you can monitor your admission. In JAMB CAPS, you can monitor your admission. Now this is it. First, when you get to JAMB CAPS, check your status. You'll be seeing your admission status. They will write it there. That's the first thing to check. Check your admission status, because after checking, then it will determine the action you have to take next. When you check your admission status, if your admission status is saying not admitted, it means you've not been given admission. Not that they will not give you admission, but at that point, you've not been admitted. Do you understand? You've not been admitted at that point. Now, if it's saying admission in progress, don't bother yourself, just relax, you get admission. Admission in progress means you will get it. Now, if it is showing congratulations, you've been admitted, start jubilating, that one you've gotten it, you've gotten the admission. Good. Now, if it is showing not admitted, if your own is still showing not admitted, then this video is for you. If your CAPS is still showing not admitted, you've checked now and it's showing not admitted, then watch this video to the end, because your breakthrough might be in this video. One thing that can make your CAPS to remain not admitted is if you've not uploaded your WAEC results. Some persons, they say when they were registering for JAMB, they uploaded their WAEC results, so they don't care to re-upload. You know, this year, JAMB introduced a new policy of thumb printing while re-uploading your WAEC results. Yes, biometrics during WAEC re-uploading. So if you did not re-upload your WAEC result, please, it is still ongoing. Go and re-upload your WAEC result now. There is no way your WAEC result is not there on your portal that you get admission. And if you want to know if just go to your JAMB portal, your CAPS, you can see if your WAEC has been uploaded or not. If it is not showing there, run, because it's getting late already. This is September. It's getting late already. Most schools have started giving admission. Like almost all the schools have started giving admission. So if you've not gotten it, it might be that you've not uploaded your WAEC result. That's one thing that can make you not to be admitted till now. Maybe you've not re-uploaded your WAEC results. So that can hinder you from getting admission. So first thing, go and check if your WAEC result has been uploaded or not. Another common reason why some persons, their name will not come out in school list is this. Someone sent me a message some days ago that his name is not on the school admission list, that the school admission list is out, but his name is not there. One reason, another thing that can cause that, even if you scored very high, is this. If you don't monitor your JAMB CAPS, when you will be given admission, maybe it's showing congratulations, you've been admitted in JAMB CAPS. Let's assume it's showing that. And you will see two buttons, accept or reject. If you don't click accept, your name will not come out in your school list. Your name will not come out in your school list. It will remain like that. Your name will not come out in admission list. So be monitoring your CAPS. If it has shown congratulations, you've been admitted, click on accept. If you don't like the course, maybe you want to reject or you don't care, you can reject. But if you want it, click on accept. Click on accept. Once you accept, the next list that your school will release, your name will be on the list. If you don't accept, your name will not be on that list. That is how it is done. If you don't accept the admission, your name will not be on that list. Another thing I must mention is that you should be patient because admission comes out in batches. So, but first list is merit list. You cross the cutoff mark, and just like I said, crossing cutoff mark does not guarantee that you get admission. Crossing the cutoff mark does not really guarantee you get admission. So you have to do the right thing. Uploading your WAEC result, know that your subject combination was all right. Then you wait patiently, be checking your caps. My own time, I can remember I used to check every day. Every day. I used to check every day. Because it is your caps you use to monitor to know if you've been admitted or not. If it's still showing not admitted, don't go and kill yourself. It's in batches. It will come out just bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit. Just know you are following information. You're getting the right information. If your school use screening and you did not do screening, there's no way you'll be admitted. If it is post UTME and you did not write post UTME, there is no way you will be admitted. So in summary, all you have to do, if you've not uploaded your WAEC result, go and upload it. That's the best you can do for yourself at this point. If you use the right subject combination, you cross the post UTME cutoff mark and the JAMB cutoff mark, and you've uploaded your WAEC result, that's the best you can do. All you have to do now is to be following up on updates. If they say do this, you do it. If they say do this, but don't fall into the hands of scammers. So that will say I'll give you admission. Don't fall into their hands. Stick to this channel. I'll be guiding you until you get your admission. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will respond. I will respond to your question. So if there's any challenge, if there's anything you want me to clarify, drop it in the comment section and I will address that right away. If you've not subscribed to my channel and you feel this channel will help you, click on the subscribe button and subscribe. So anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Also share this video to others. Like if you've not liked, share it, comment, and see you in my next video. My name is Excellence Simplified.